Hi my lovelies, so it is a Sunday. Let me move close so you can appreciate the glory.
What the dog doing?
Hi my loves, it is a Sunday. The girl is all dressed up. She's dressed up. I'm ready for church. I finished on time today. I deserve some flowers. Anyway, the bag I got delivered I think 2 days ago, and I don't want to talk too much. Let's just get into this bag. At this point, I think this is an obsession, because this brand, by the way, before I embarrass myself and my entire lineage, as I did a couple of weeks ago, Loewe. Hello? Loewe. Okay, I've corrected myself, because if you think the English language will humble you, French, it's looking at you from a distance. Anyway, there's 2 items in here, and this was sent to me by my lovely friends. So yeah, let's get into the bag first. Bag also comes with a carry-on bag. Like I said, packaging is everything. The labels are on there. Everything just comes immaculately packed. I mean, look at this gorgeousness. Gorgeous. I don't know what it is about this brand, but they just have amazing designs. Lovely designs. Comes with a long strap. Today I think I'm just going to carry it with a short strap. But seriously guys, look. I love the color. I got this in the mustard yellow, and I am in love. Absolutely in love. I mean, this is what goes with this bag. Shoes, I'm not sure yet, but this is the bag I'm carrying today. Anyway, I slicked my hair down. It's been a while. Makeup is all done. Hello? Allow me to be vain this morning. Let me transfer everything I have in my last week's Sunday bag. Hold on. This is a bag from last week. Loewe to Loewe. Anyway, you guys, I'm off to church. I still have to decide on what shoes I'm wearing, but we will get there eventually. I usually do not carry more than my notebook, a smaller notebook for jotting down ideas and just, you know, planning. And I have my Bible in there, as well as a airbrush, and that's it. That's literally it. No lip gloss, no nothing. Should I wear gold? Will this go? Ding, ding, ding. I think we have a winner. Anyway, scent of the day, Aquatic lime. I'm mixing this two. I have this Aquatic lime and this Saltworks one. This is orange marmalade. Smells divine. I smell rich, and my bank account is trying to catch up. Hello? Amen? Let's go to church. Alright, so let's get into this. This item came with... So I chose a bag accessory this time around. This is an LV bag accessory, and I intend to use this mercilessly on all my bags. Anyway, I'm gonna make 1 or 2 reels for Instagram before we go. I mean, I have that much time. I'll see you guys later.
1 eternity later.
Why I fly so dumb? Like, Omo, we have just come back from Holland Bazaar. Well, church and then Holland Bazaar. Things have cost. Not really much, but if you can afford it, stock up. I bought a box of peppers and, well, several boxes of peppers because it's really not affordable to shop on demand anymore, because to me it just makes more sense, more economic sense to stock up, and that's what I've done. Gosh, I'm so tired. I'm trying to take off my jewelry here. I've taken off this one. I still have this one on. This dress is so beautiful. Like walking from the car park into the church. Oh, I love your dress. Oh, I love your dress. Oh, thanks to Shein. It's all in Shein. Yes, you guys. This is a Shein print. And it's from a really lovely brand that I've really started falling in love with. I think they're called Maui. I think that's the name. Yeah, so I will link this product in the description box if you guys are interested. It's definitely worth checking out. I think my trousers from last week Sunday were also from them. So yeah, please check them out. Gosh, I have to go and sort out several boxes of paper. Please, nobody should wait. My family members, I'm sure they know that they are on their own pretty much. So literally whatever you see to eat, just like this. It's usually very stressful, but in the end, I mean, it works out because I don't have to do this for the next, say, 3 months. The last time I did this was in January, and this is end of April. So February, March, April. So for the next 3 months, I should be good. Gosh, anyway. Even now I'm hungry. I think I had 1 or 2 muffins. I need to take off this makeup because I'm feeling so uneasy. I need to change into my pajamas. You guys, these ones I've worn to stupor. Like, out of the entire unboxing I did for this pajamas collaboration with Shein, these ones are by far my favorite. They are the cherry ones. They have this lace detail on the sleeves and it's so lovely. I just love it. What's these? It's like somebody kissed me with your yogurt mouth. And whoever is short enough to reach here, that's the person that did it. I could easily wear this dress like this, but I just prefer it with the belts. I don't know. I have been stuck on belts for the longest. I don't know, maybe since secondary school. I just always love wearing belts on my tummy. I don't know why, but I've been stuck there for a while. Oh God, let this cup pass over me. I'll see you guys in a bit. My transformation is nearly complete. I feel a lot better after I took off my wig. I think I was starting to have some slight headache. Gary lole ṣe bon ṣe wáyé. Gary àti kuli. Àti G spicy kuli. Òun ló lè ṣe lọ́wọ́ tí mo wáyé. My children are playing with one ball. Where did you get that ball from? I think one of the neighbors' children have kicked their balls over. Anyway, you guys, let's get into this Holland Bazaar haul. And this is not even half of what we got. I left some in the garage. but these are the ones that made it in. I got several boxes of peppers, like I said. So I got these chili ones, the bell peppers. I got about 3 or 4 bags of this garlic. I got some ginger. I shared some plantain with someone. I got a box of long peppers. I bought this really big tin of tomato paste, and that was about £8. So yeah, I didn't buy fresh tomatoes this time around. I got some herbs and spices. I got 2 big crates of eggs. One was about £6. I know, pricey. I got some beef. I got some pork. You guys, there was quite a lot. I got this really big tin of chocolate powder. It's I think it's Cadbury one. Anyway, there was just a lot in here, and these were just the ones that I had to process. I left some in the freezer in the garage, like I said before, and I got this box of 20 kg mackerel fish. The last time I shared this box with someone, but this time I'm just looking to process this one and see how far it gets. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I don't form group. So after the service, a bunch of us just get together and we just create videos. This is not something that was planned, really. I think this was like our first video together. A couple of us just came together and, you know, we're just vibing, really, after the service. I don't know if you know, but there's always something, one meeting or one thing going on. You know, the wives were just hanging around, and someone just brought out their phone. There's this trendy song, let's just vibe to it, and that was it. So I think so, after every service, after this particular Sunday, we've just been coming together to either take pictures or make a video. It's just been refreshing because, you know, ideally you find it among the younger population in the church, but this is my dancing group. Anyway, we took pictures and that was it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.